today's Kaia's Corner is we are making mini food. And so yeah, we're making eggs with a mini food. Mini. I'm serious. Mini. So my mom's getting crackers. I don't want to get yolk there on the mini pan. So I'm going to be mixing it.
Wait, stir it up like this. Kaia, you stir it up like this. And
Stir it
just
up,
keep
girl.
on stirring it around. Okay, now you gotta always get the sides.
Scrape it a little bit.
Scrape it up. Okay, keep your hand higher so you don't get burned. Okay, now just move it back and forth.
Can you do a quick one? I'm gonna get my hand. I'm gonna use this. So then I just move my hands. Do you guys like to cook? Comment down below. What's your favorite thing to cook? Mine is basically eggs and cupcakes. So I'm gonna be mixing now. It's okay if I get burnt because I this on.
Just constantly move the scrambled eggs around.
Who do you cook with? Your mom or your dad? I cook with my mama.
Except when you're making martinis, right? Who do you cook that with?
This guy that's filming, turn the camera around. Oh. He always basically, a lot of the times he films
All right, pay attention, chef.
like the kite I want.
Kaia, it's all done.
So I'm gonna go get the bowl. I'm gonna hold this real quick. No, there's a different bowl that I want.
No, it's not clean. Okay, let's put it in the bowl.
Wait, I'll do it.
It's hot. Okay, be careful.
Wait, can you hold this real quick? Sorry.
Hot. It's hot, Kaia.
What's happening?
Eggs are made.
Show the camera. All right, Kaia's Corner, subscribe.
And comment down below on notification. And make sure this guy does not be under your bed today.